Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Service Management Leadership. Today's video is number 8 in our series on ITIL Release and Deployment Management, adapted from a BMC white paper. And in this video, we want to talk about the third phase in a release. And since we're talking about release and deployment management, we're talking about deployment. Before I get started, I want to encourage you to look down in the description for links to related playlists to this video. We don't always agree with the BMC viewpoints on these videos, so we have several videos on different ways to discuss all these ITIL topics. And so in the deployment phase, the release package is deployed into the live production environment, beginning when change management authorizes the release package to be deployed. The deployment phase ends with the handoff to service operations and early life support. Some people in the project management world may call this warranty instead of early life support. It's virtually the same thing. But let's think about this really briefly. So we get this service design package and we build, design, test it, and then we deploy it into production, where then we want to hand it off to service operations as quickly as possible, assuming everything is done well with the release and the related changes. Before deploying, ITIL encourages quite a bit of advanced planning and preparing. The confirming the target group is ready for the deployment is trained. We've identified and attempted to mitigate any potential risks or disruptions to the production environment. We also want to specify the order of how each component of the release will be deployed. Do we want to have all the application changes deployed first, or the hardware and then the application? We need to have those sequenced. Then we also need to think about verification that this release was deployed properly. So we need to have all of the stakeholders. We may have user acceptance or verification testing, and then be able to remediate or back out that release or the related changes as necessary. And after verifying that the release is functioning as planned, doing great, ITIL calls for you to transition the new or changed service over to service operation in 2 stages. This gets missed by many, so I appreciate the BMC viewpoint. First of all, a formal notification should be issued that the service is now live, beginning of early life support, ELS as some people call it, followed by, second, a formal notification that the service is fully operational and that SLAs are now being enforced. You want to make sure people know that they are now being measured against an SLA. People kind of get irritated when they're not informed, and then somebody a day, a week later say, hey, you missed 5 SLAs. Huh? We need to make sure we inform properly. And that needs to be part of our release plan. Who needs to be informed of what? This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. Please like or share the video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave me feedback below. Also, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. I hope you have a great day. Bye.